To buy food using DoorDash with EBT, you must first check if DoorDash accepts EBT in your area. Currently, DoorDash has partnered with certain restaurants to accept Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits through its Dash Pass and DoorDash platform. You can determine if EBT is accepted in your area by opening the DoorDash app, then tapping on the account icon, and selecting the EBT option to see if it is available in your location. If EBT is available, you can proceed to link your EBT card to your DoorDash account by following the prompts and entering your EBT card details. Once your EBT card is linked, you can browse and order from participating restaurants. To find EBT eligible restaurants, filter your search by selecting the EBT option. You can then add items to your cart and proceed to checkout, where you will be able to select your EBT card as the payment method. When using EBT on DoorDash, it is essential to note that you can only purchase eligible food items and that there may be a delivery fee. You will need to use an alternative payment method for any non-eligible items or fees. DoorDash will also not allow you to use EBT to purchase prepared foods or hot foods. Only grocery items or cold prepared foods. Best practices for using EBT on DoorDash include always checking your EBT balance before placing an order, ensuring that you only purchase eligible items, and using an alternative payment method for any non-eligible items or fees. It is also crucial to keep your EBT card information up to date to avoid any issues with your orders. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully use your EBT card to purchase food on DoorDash and enjoy the convenience of having your groceries delivered to your doorstep.